Let me share a cozy condo for sale in Quezon City. You can use this condo yourself as your first home or as a first investment. Hello, deal makers. It's a great day to make deals, and let's look at this condo for sale in Quezon City. It has a floor area of 23 square meters. It is fully furnished, move-in ready, and it's located in MPlace South Triangle. MPlace is a development of SMDC. It's located in the heart of Quezon City, and you will see why it's a great location in a little while. It's ready for move-in, complete with furnishing. You have this cute table for intimate meals, TV for entertainment, sofa and display shelf on the living area. The sleeping area already has a cabinet and a cozy bed. And place tenants can use the condo's leisure amenities, such as the swimming pools, jogging paths, and fitness station. Kids also have their own play area. It's really nice to be able to relax in the pool area after a hard day's work. Each building also has a Hollywood-themed lobby designed to wow and impress guests and visitors. Now, it's strategically located in the South Triangle area with entrances along Panay Avenue and Mother Ignacia. It's near the commercial districts of Timog Avenue, Tomas Morato. It's also near the office of ABS, CBN, and even GMA 7, right over here. Heading over to the map, it is also, so you have MPlace over here. It is near Eton Centris, so you have some commercial offices there. There are a couple of government offices here and hospitals, so you can see in the map. GMA 7 is over here in this area. So if you are active, or you like to jog or bike, you can do that in Quezon City Memorial Circle. You also have Trinoma in this area and SM City North EDSA. There are a lot of offices and schools in the area. And if you're a teacher or if you want to be involved in academe, there are a couple of universities heading over to Manila, going here to the south. And you also have UP in this area and other schools such as Ateneo and Miriam College. So MPlace is strategically located. It is also near the MRT station here in the corner of Quezon Avenue and EDSA. It can be used as a singles pad, a bachelor's pad or single bachelorette's pad, or a staycation unit where you can post it on Airbnb and booking.com. Now, before we check out the price and payment terms, please hit the like button for more videos like this. This helps the channel grow and it helps YouTube share this video to more people. The asking price of the unit is 3,950,000 pesos. It's below market value compared to the prices offered by the developer SMDC. So SMDC offers MPlace units at 4.1 million to 4.3 million. Down payment is 20% or 790,000. Now this can be payable in 3 months and the balance can be paid through bank financing. So the balance is 3,160,000. Now there are many payment options for financing and I won't cover all of them. But you can choose shorter time frames to save on total interest, or you can go for longer terms like 20 years for easier monthly payments. So as an example, your monthly amortization at an 8% interest rate and 20 years term is around 26,431 pesos and 51 cents. Now the final amount will depend on the interest rate that you get and the MRI rate or mortgage redemption insurance. You will also need to prepare around 120,000 pesos for taxes and title transfer. Now, if you plan to rent it out in Airbnb, you can rent it out at 1,250 pesos per night. And if you're able to get clients for 20 nights in a month, then you get 25,000 gross monthly income. Of course, you still need to have a budget for your association dues, your utilities, and property maintenance. But as time goes on, inflation will drive rates up, and eventually you will be positive cash flow, or you will be cash flow positive. Your gross monthly income will be higher than your monthly amortization plus all your expenses. And when you are fully paid, you will already have a property that is a passive income asset. Now it's your turn. If you were to buy this, would you live here, rent it out long term, or post it in Airbnb? So let me know in the comment section below. If you like this condo for sale in Quezon City, please hit the link in the description or the comment section below, and we'll contact you as soon as possible. If you like to be notified of future properties, or you want to get more content on investing in multiple asset classes like real estate and global stocks, click subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Check out the videos on real estate investing. And always remember, it's a great day to make deals, and may all your deals push through. See you in the next video.